So Natalie, we are reaching the end of the summit. Just 2 more presentations to go, and that's it.
It's unbelievable how it went by so fast. I can tell you that I really enjoyed it till now with all the exciting presentations.
Me too. There was an interesting combination of sales and technical presentations. And speaking of which, the next presentation is given by Ilker Uludag, the CEO of Tekyaz.
Yes, Tekyaz reached the highest sales results in 2020, making them #1.
That is truly impressive. You work very closely with Ilker, like with all resellers, I must add. Can you tell me in 1 sentence why you think he is so successful?
Well, I think it's a combination of the incredible drive of Ilker, his team, his sub-resellers, and the size of the CNC Turkish market. The Turkish customers love the power and ease of use of SolidCAM, its patent revolutionary I Machining technology, and its seamless SolidWorks integration.
You mentioned the incredible drive of Ilker. I think it's time we called him and gave him an award for his years of hard work and his outstanding sales results.
I agree.
Hello?
Hello, Natalie. Hello, Linda. You look amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. How are you doing? Working hard as usual?
Yeah, we are so passionate also to be #1 for 2021.
Okay, I'm here with Natalie, and she and Emil just gave you an award for being the best reseller of 2020. However, I want to give you another award for working so hard and for helping us in every way possible when we wanted to make SolidCAM in Turkey.
Oh my God, thank you. But you know, it's also, I take this on behalf of all my passionate SolidCAM team, my sub-resellers.
Absolutely.
Thanks for that.
And now, without further ado, your award is a Microsoft Surface Pro or a 16-inch MacBook Pro.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we know
I
how
love
much
Apple
you love
product.
Apple products, exactly.
Exactly.
Well, enjoy it, you deserve it, and good for you and your team.
And now
Thank
we
you.
are going to hear your presentation about how you achieved these as outstanding results.
I am so excited. Thank you.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you, Ilker. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello! Welcome to SolidCAM Virtual Summit 2021. This is Ilker Uludag from Tekyaz, Istanbul, Turkey. Today, I want to present you how Tekyaz became the #1 SolidCAM reseller in the world. Before that, let's look at my background. So, after I graduated as a mechanical engineer from the university, I started in the company as an intern. I first became a SolidWorks sales rep and then became a SolidWorks product manager. At that time, we developed a great education strategy, and today, maybe that's the main reason why we make SolidWorks the de facto 3D CAD standard for our market. After some time, I became SolidCAM product manager, and my first job was to develop the strongest sub-reseller network. Of course, it helped us to give best-in-class support in every region of Turkey. Then I became the VP of sales, and finally today I am the CEO of a $15 million company, Tekyaz. So let's look where we are. Where is Tekyaz? From our point of view, Tekyaz is right in the center of the world. As you see, Turkey is located in a very interesting location where in some part is the Europe and the other part the Asia. So Turkey is the place where 2 continents meet. Actually, Istanbul is our place for our headquarters, and it's right here. So I hope one day you all come to Istanbul and enjoy this fantastic city. So let's look at the facts of Tekyaz. As you see, we are a very crowded company, and I can easily say that we are the biggest software company in CAD/CAM business in our market. We are doing this business since 1994, and today we have 7 local offices alone, and together with our sub-reseller network, we can say that we are in all manufacturing zones of our market. Today, we are the largest SolidWorks VAR in Turkey. With more than 90 employees, 5,000 customers, we support 10,000 seats in our market. I think it's really huge number. Of course, in Tekyaz, there is a dedicated SolidCAM team, not only serve to Tekyaz customers, but also all sub-reseller network. Today, we are supporting almost 2,000 seats of SolidCAM in Turkey. I think this is a great number of customers. Moreover, during COVID-19, we also did an online training project, which helps us to reach more than 500 users. I think this was a great achievement during this pandemic for us and something new for us. I think we will continue to make these kind of online trainings, and you will see some extra details in the next slides. As you all know, there is a very popular question on the market. Which is the best CAD/CAM solution? I think before getting to that answer, you should all know that there is 3 major success pillars. As you expect, the first one is the software. SolidWorks and SolidCAM. Now they are the most popular solution in our market. They are localized into Turkish language and everybody is happy with the easy to use interface. But is it enough? I think no, because selling CAD/CAM solution is in fact selling the service. So who is your partner? Here in Turkey, Tekyaz, together with the sub-reseller network, give best-in-class support in Istanbul and in all manufacturing regions of Turkey. This is so important, but not enough again, because the third pillar is the customer itself. Because your capability, your knowledge, how you utilize the software is so important. So you have to continuously nurture your capabilities. So together, a good software, a good partner for support, and a good user is key for success. Today, SolidCAM and SolidWorks has large community of users. This is also an important part of our success. So let's look at the software. When you get a CAD/CAM solution, it's not only a CAM solution, it's also a CAD solution. So when the CAD solution is the standard 3D solution in your market, it's very important because you can find users very easily. Here in Turkey, SolidWorks have the full localization, not only the interface, also the help file. It's same also for SolidCAM. It's a question why all other CAD/CAM vendors do not invest into that area. So this is very important because language is a barrier, especially when you go deep into this kind of manufacturing languages. The seamless integration to SolidWorks is very valuable because it's not just a CAD/CAM tool, it's part of the full ecosystem. And as I said before, education is very important. Today, over 80% of Turkey's universities and technical schools are standardized on SolidWorks and the SolidCAM solution. So when you select a solution, you feel confident that it's the standard. Let me show you some of our typical customers. Reseller is one of our best customers, and they design big assembly lines, manufacturing lines for batteries. So this machine is designed in SolidWorks. But what was their bottleneck? You know, design for manufacturing is something different. And where do you find this expertise? The CNC machinists know much better than the designer. So what they ask for, they said that the CNC machinists can do more for the company. How? If you give them a CADCAM solution together and integrate it into SolidWorks, then this CNC machinist now is part of the design team. He can easily recognize the problems from manufacturing point of view and then give good feedbacks to the designers. Moreover, there is single source of truth then. And as you expect, there are many different departments, procurement departments, planning department. So all of them are on the same single platform. SolidWorks, SolidCAM, and the PDM system they are using creates that single platform. So this helps you to bring design and manufacturing together. Also, there are other benefits. For example, any SolidWorks user one day can easily be a SolidCAM user. This is also another nice advantage for the company. So let's look at closely to other departments. As you see, this is the design department. They are designing the machines and they just upload all this information to the PDM system. But other than the planning department and procurement department, also the manufacturing department gets all the latest revisions easily, and with the CAD system integrated, they can easily check the assembly and see the where used information. So this helps this guy to give quick feedbacks to the designers. One other important topic here is the integration. It's not only the integration of the CAD and the CAM, but also the integration of the full process. So let's take it like this. You are designing a complex machine, but you're a design to order company. So for every customer, you redesign the machine. However, most of the users copy the projects. So if you use a fully integrated solution and parametric and associative, it helps you to copy all the information. So with small and minor revisions or any dramatic revisions, you have all your CAM data fully associative, ready to use. You don't need to spend all your time you spent in the past. All the features are here. You just updated the assembly, the design for the new customer, and all your CAM manufacturing data is ready. And this is a great power for you. You can be super fast. Another typical customer is the mold makers. Turkey is very strong for mold making, but also there are many plastic part manufacturers also have their own mold department. So let's look at pipe fit. They are producing piping elements, both design for the parts and also the mold. So here they again can easily use SolidCAM for manufacturing the core and the cavity, but the same software for designing these plastic parts, also making plastic simulations, all on the same integrated platform. You have the CAM data and you can get the perfect surface quality from SolidCAM advanced surface milling tools such as HSS and the lately Turbo HSM. Another customer is from CNC Technology. CNC Technology, known as the distributor of Makino and Haas machines in Turkey. However, they also have a very powerful, I think more than 20 engineers design team. This design team helped the company to offer turnkey projects. One of their aerospace projects some years ago was for the company Elmet for manufacturing some Boeing 737 parts. So there are many parts And when you look them individually, maybe it looks easy parts. But all of them are 5-axis parts, and it's impossible to cut them without a fixture design. So then again, it's not only a CAM solution. You need a full CAD-CAM solution with full power of CAD system, because in that environment you need to design all those fixtures in the right way. And when you have the fixtures, then it's easy for you to manufacture the fixtures and then the parts, and you can make all your simulations, and you can make the CAM in an assembly environment when you both see the parts and the fixtures and the jigs. So this capability make CNC Ilker one of the leading engineering company and manufacturing company for turnkey projects here in Turkey. They are cutting all those parts in 5-axis and 3+2 axis. Let's look another typical customer, Netplus Mac. They are producing recycling machines. But here the most critical part is this shredder. As you see, it's a very big part and there is a lot of operations on top of it. What we have to do, we have to cut this part so fast, because time to market is important here. What is this recycling machine? With this critical shredder part, you can recycle anything. So what we achieved here, with the I Machining technology you see here, we can cut all these pockets and holes with full depth of cutting, even without a coolant, because we can quickly get rid out of this chip, and the thermal conditions are perfect to cut fast. So you are in an integrated environment and you are using the best CAM solution. What can you ask more? Here in this technology, we also get full benefit of the technology wizard presented with the I Machining technology, because this company is a machine manufacturer. We don't expect them to be the best shop floor in the world. However, with the help of I Machining, they can easily find the best cutting conditions with the technology wizard. So this is something they are looking for, getting the expertise. Okay, so let's come to the next important pillar, which is the partner. So here in Turkey, it's Tekyaz. When you work with Tekyaz, you know that we are the biggest CAD-CAM vendor in Turkey, with local support, expertise in all manufacturing regions of Turkey. As you see, in all these areas, we have our offices or our sub-reseller network. So I think this is one of the most unique part of Tekyaz, because we have the crowded team of experts on the field, and they are very close to our customers. By just a quick phone call, we are right in your factory and give you an on-site support. This is not something you can copy in a short time, because all these people have minimum 10 years of experience of manufacturing. Other than that, Tekyaz is the leading company. We make, for example, lunch events every year, and we have 1,500 attendees every year. Let's think together. It's an event, we do it on Saturday. So on Saturday, 1,500 people come, whether they are from education market or a startup, maybe a SolidCAM user. They come and check the live cuttings. There is the partner pavilion, and they see the latest technologies, workstations, all these things. So there is no other company that can really bring that much crowd in CAD/CAM industry. And another aspect of our success is our tech support. As I said, we hardly believe to give on-site support in every regions of Turkey, but on top of that, sometimes online support is quicker. So we have a call center with experts on the phone, and they are ready to support our customers. Moreover, we also deliver them maybe the best post-processors. But what is key for post-processor? All our customers ask always for more. So customization for customer needs is very important. It's not just sending them a standard post for a machine, because for every machine the user have their own individual way of usage. So everybody wants to customize those posts. So when you have those people on the field, you can visit the customer and make good customization for them, optimization for them. And finally, I think it's the most important one is the empathy we developed with our customers. 7 days a week, even 24 hours, they can call us, they can ask help from our on-site team. I think this created a really very trusted relationship with our customers. So word of mouth is very, very important in our market. So at the end, it's happy customers. So let's look at detailing to that support, because giving support is okay, but measuring is a challenge. So we have a screen in our office, and in that screen we can analyze the quality of our support every single day. We can see how many questions we received, what is the time to call the customer back, and we record all these information in our CRM system. As I said before, post-processor development is very important for us, and customers always ask for optimization and customization. But when you consider that there are kinds of machines, it's not easy for a company to have the right expertise internally. So you need to have a crowded team of support, maybe dedicated people for dedicated type of machines. So the Milton is different, Swiss type is different. So what we are doing, we have different expertise for each application. Moreover, SolidCAM Team helps us anytime we want. I think this is also very important because most of the CAD/CAM vendors only give you a standard post, and it's not easy to get support from them. Thanks to SolidCAM post-development team, as you see here, we can reach them anytime we want, and so we join our forces to give the best-in-class post-processors to our customers. Now I want to show you some interesting facts, because if you check Google Trends, I think it's not a big surprise for you to see Turkey is one of the most popular area for SolidCAM. If you go deep, you quickly recognize the most popular cities in Turkey for SolidCAM. And again, it's not a surprise for us that those areas are the places where we have our local offices. But finally, I did another check to see where is the most popular location in the world for SolidCAM. And it was a big surprise for me. Ankara, the capital of Turkey, and also the Istanbul are the top 2 cities in the world searching for SolidCAM. If you look what we did behind the scenes, I think you should check our education strategy. For example, lately we joined a European Union project, which is CNC CAD/CAM for all vocational education. And we created 50 hours of online CAM training and also 50 hours of online CAD training, which is going to be free for all education institutions in European Union countries. Let's look closer to this project. I believe this project is going to be a game changer, because not only in Turkey, all around the world, it's even harder and harder every day to find CNC machinists, good users, good programmers. So this project will help a lot. Other than that, we have some other interesting projects. One of them is the website we created during the pandemic. It is called Turks Learning CADCAM. In this web page, you can register anytime you want, and you can get on-demand trainings for 2.5 up to 5 access. But the interesting part is you get also online face-to-face trainings with our experts from all regions. As you see, this is the crowded team of experts, thanks to our sub-resellers, ready to support you. It's free of charge. Moreover, with the help of SolidCAM, you can get 60-day full version of SolidCAM, and it's a CAD-CAM. You can anytime come back to the site, check the webinars we did, check the training videos, and register to the calendar to get the face-to-face training online. And another project is the portal we created. It's not free, but there are some parts that are free, and during the pandemic we offer the CAD-CAM training for free. In this portal there is kinds of trainings recorded in advance, so in your convenience you can just register and get all those trainings. It's a very nice structural trainings from beginning to end, and both for beginners and advanced users. Moreover, we also have publications. Since the beginning, we have a lot of books on the market. You can reach them in any regular bookstore. So now it's time for the third pillar, the customers. As we said before, it's also very important that we have good users that nurture their capabilities every day, because CAD-CAM is becoming more complex and complex, and they have to get the job done. SolidCAM I Machining is the most popular add-on for our customers and users. And of course, they have to learn and use it efficiently. So we made many events together with some CNC machine vendors, cutting tools manufacturers, and in one of those shows we presented this part. You see the sizes, diameter is here, and we cut that part live together with our customers. We show them that they can cut this part, which they expect around 30 to 40 minutes, only in 6 minutes. This patented technology offers a technology wizard. And with this technology wizard, users almost doesn't need to do anything. Everything, all the parameters, the speed, depth, side step, everything given by the wizard. So with those trainings and live cuttings, if the user really learns those technologies, then it means that you have the best solution now. As you see here, we did those cuttings together with the customer. When our customers ask us to show them the technology, or local on-site team visit the customer and teach them how to use these technologies in their machine with their tools, on site. And another innovation is the Turbo HSM. In our latest release, we introduced it for our mold makers, because with our HSM technology, we were cutting really good surfaces, but with the Turbo HSM, we are not only cutting good surfaces, but fully utilize all the cores in our PCs. So these are so important for our customers. Every year, you have to enhance your technology. So SolidCAM is the software giving all these new technologies to our customers. But it's also important for the users and also our company customers to utilize and learn those technologies. For example, SolidCAM HSS. It's another very valuable add-on for mold makers, because it's the first time for them to cut direct the original NURB surface, the CAD surface of the part. So you can get much more accuracy when it comes to creating the toolpath. Also, this tool gives you super flexibility. You have to use it. When our users use it, they really love it. And we offer this technology as a part of their subscription plan. Today, Milton and Swiss type machines are getting more and more popular. Again, the same users with the same interface can quickly learn and leverage SolidCAM to run those machines. Whether they are dealing with a complex Milton machine or a Swiss type machine, no problem. Of course, these complex machines needs also very good post-processor development. So the good thing is we have the team. So any kind of machine, these are our machines from our customers, we can run without any problem, because our post-processor team is ready to just run into any factory to run all those machines with the customized post for your individual needs. Here we see some Milton and Swiss type applications from our customers. Of course, when you run those machines, the word of mouth is so powerful. And we can easily see that around 50% of our customers are just neighbors of our customers. So let's look at 3+2 and 5-axis machines. When we say 5-axis milling, people just remember these kind of dancing machines. However, it's not only those 5-axis continuous machining, it's also 3+2 machining. And these machines are amazing. These machines are machines to machine machines. And in our market, there are a lot of machines like this. They are changing the heads. So maybe for each head, you need another post. So it's not one machine, it's 5 machines, and the machine is huge. So when you deal with those machines, the software should be capable, machine simulation should be capable, and you shouldn't hesitate, even it's a machine like this, continuous cutting, or a machine like this, a giant machine, you can run all these things with SolidCAM. Or even if you go to another different application, like 4x or y-axis turning, it's again the same thing. You don't need to hesitate. You just ask for the new post, you give the information for your machine, and you run. As you see, very complex machines, 4x machines, Milton machines, 3-type machines, we can run them all in Turkey. These are videos from our customers. So, finally, even if you are looking for some robotic milling applications, SolidCAM offers you the integration. So, you can just make the 5x cutting inside SolidCAM, and our colleagues just integrate into your robotic software to generate the right toolpath for your machine, for your robot. This is another application from one of our good customers. So here is the team behind the scenes. One big SolidCAM family. We love our customers. We are happy when they are happy. This team shares the same vision, but most importantly, the same passion. So, teşekkür ederim. Thank you for listening. Danke. Merci. Arigato gozaimasu. See you next time.